Hi guys, I just left the bank and right at the high level roundabout in Makurdi, my slippers caught. Well, not totally sure, but I had like an issue and I wasn't walking well. And I sat and immediately I saw this guy passing, and then I stopped him to fix my shoes. And it was like after 5 minutes of putting my foot on the mat that I realized, oh, okay, I was very comfortable. And it got me thinking how many people actually bother to make their customers comfortable while the sale is ongoing. See here, there's something for me to put my leg. Please ignore my toes and paint chipped things. So there's something I put my leg, and then I was quite comfortable because I was at the banana stand, the fruit stand. So I was a bit comfortable. So that is a food for thought for you guys in business, especially just in general. If you're in anything that requires you talking to people, requires you serving people, requires you to handle customers or clients, how comfortable are your clients feeling during the sale, not just before, after? How do they feel during the sale? Are you leaving them better or worse off than they came? Because in all, no matter how much money you make, what is going to be lasting is your attitude, is the impression you leave on the person that you came across that day. So this was a very tiny gesture, which they do for all their customers, by the way. But I was having a really, really tough morning that day, and just kind of made my day. That I could just be on the road, my slippers would cut, and then there'd be somebody to fix it. One of the benefits of doing walkabout in Nigeria, you can find basically everything on the road: water to drink, food to eat, someone to fix your shoes, and things to laugh at. Hope you're having a great day. Here is to a great weekend. Please hit the subscribe button.